Hello team, I hope you are doing well. Now we enter in day 13 and I have already executed all the regarding problem statement which has been asked in an interview, and it is based on the technical questions, and I find out all the solutions in our live session. So if you are looking for better solutions, if you are looking for better opportunities, and you are trying to be dedicated for to get deserve position in reputed organization, you just need to get implementation of all the questions. Okay, you should get the solution of all this and try to apply them in your system. Then you may automatically get the confidence team. So now let's get started. We have entered in day 13, and here you can see that we have a problem statement. We should count number of capital letters from the string, right? So what will be our approach practically to be apply this? I'll show you practically. There are many ways that we can figure out this issue, but I'll show you one. Okay, and you have to give me the answer that what might be the time complexity and space complexity of the method which I have generated and I have created in our code. So let's navigate it to our Eclipse window team, and we are just trying to find out the solution that how many letters or capital letters are present in the given string. Okay, so you have observed that we have already started a class, or we can say a project 2024. Inside this we have written a few programs. Let me try to go to that. Okay, project, I think we should go with 2025. And in this project we have created many classes which has been practically related to our learning objectives. So let me try to create a class team, and as you can see, I have not given the name to the class as day 12, but I have given here anagram strings, right? If you have not seen my previous video, yesterday I have uploaded a video based on to check whether the two strings are anagram or not. And I truly believe that it is really help you. It will be a cause of enhancing your skill in programming, and definitely you may find out the correct solution for it. So kindly watch my previous video and take the advantage of it. Now we are trying to create a new class team, and I'm giving the name of a class here as day 13. All right, I would like to add here main method, and we will try to apply this thing in correct orders. Therefore I have to create a class, and now I'm trying to create a method here. Public static void, I'm trying to give the related name here. I can say find capital letters, right? And inside we are trying to pass the parameter. Suppose I'm giving a string result, and now we are trying to apply the logic here. Now before I get into the logic, I need to write the comment what actually I'm going to add here, what actually the statements I'm going to write before applying the code. So what actually I try to set here, I try to create a variable and initialize. Why I'm creating a variable and I'm going to initialize it? Because I'm going to start from the specific number. Suppose I am giving here integer I, I'm starting from value 1, right? So at the first character we are trying to count that. If we find out first capital letter from the string, it will be starting from 1 only. Then we are incrementing by 1 once it is finding out a per case letter. All right, so it will be our main objective. It will be our logic actually. So let me try to give here a variable, like I can say frequency equals 1. You may start from 0 only. Let's try to start from 0. It's fine only if I'm giving here okay 0, because we are starting from 0 only, and we are incrementing it by 1. Now I'm trying to traverse here, traverse from initial to end, right? So till the end of the particular string, we are just trying to traverse, right? Starting from 0 only. I can say for integer I equals 0, I can say I less than result dot length right? And we are trying to give here I plus plus, and in this we are trying to give the condition, right? So in the condition we are just trying to apply that check whether uppercase letter is present or not. If it is present, that automatically the frequency value which is initially 0, it will be incremented by 1 only. So let me give here if we are utilizing here inbuilt class from the library of core Java, and the name of the class is called character, right? We are simply say it is a wrapper class. I can say character dot, you can see inside this character class we do have list of methods, but we are looking for a method called is uppercase. Did you see that the method is by default display second last method we are trying to apply here is uppercase, and it will apply with the parameter character. So I try to simply set this. If it contains uppercase letter, definitely the frequency value will be incremented, otherwise it may not be incremented. Now what I will do, I'll just try to set here character. Okay, so before I do that, let me try to declare here character c equals, I can say result dot, you can see here integer character add method I'm trying to apply here, and by default is asking us to add the integer, okay, value as a parameter. So I'm giving this, and now inside I will try to set here c only, right? Now if it is true, then what will happen, it will try to implement the frequency value, right? So increment frequency value, right? And I have not added here a comment, so let me try to set here check each and every character, right? We are just trying to apply like this, and now we are trying to increment the value, so frequency plus plus. All right, and now we are trying to print this out, sys out total number of uppercase later. We are just trying to give here plus frequency. All right, now we have to save our code, and now we are trying to call this method in our main method. Control C, and we are trying to paste over here and try to give the values like this. Suppose I'm trying to give a string as automation testing. Now we can see we are having two uppercase letters, right? So we are expecting that the frequency should be 2 only. Okay, let's try to check this out. Are we getting 2 in the console? You can see here we have received we have actually obtained 2 as a result in console. Now I'm trying to set here full string, like I can say automation testing Java Selenium, right? You can observe this, we are looking for uppercase letters only, so here it is showing me 4. Okay, so the value might be changed. Okay, we are expecting it will display 4 only, and you can see here we have got the correct output, right? But my question still pending, it is not being executed yet. What might be the time complexity of the method which I have created, and what is the space complexity of the method which I have utilized, right? I have to give the answer to your team. Now you can see here string might be we can say n number of inputs of the string we can set, and therefore we are trying to say that the time complexity of the given string would be big O of n, right? You should know this thing very well, otherwise you may not get the output correctly, you may not find out the solution correctly. Okay, so big O of n is the time complexity of the method which we have created so far, and what is the space complexity, as we have written the method character at. So obviously we can say that this particular inbuilt method is representing the constant value, so I can say it will be applied with the big O of 1, means it would be representing the constant value, right? So here I have given the solution of how can we count number of capital letters from the string. If you have any doubt, any question, you may reach out to me. You may write in the comment. I'll share. I will give you the solution for that whenever I will get time. Thank you, team, and have a great day. Kindly enjoy all the videos and share with your friends.